Alright, so sometimes you're also going to have to find the measure of an angle. So if I'm looking to find the measure of angle R, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set up those pieces just like I have before. So I'm going to do the sine of R over 13. And that's got to be equal to 43, the sine of 43 over 9. So when I go and do this, I'm going to multiply by 13 because I really just want to get that R alone. So let's multiply by 13 here. And I get the sine of R is equal to 13 times the sine of 43 all over 9. I then want to get rid of the sine, so I need to do the inverse sine. And I get R is equal to the inverse sine of 13 times the sine of 43 all over 9. And what I do is I enter that in straight on my calculator like that. So inverse sine of 13 times the sine of 43, close that parenthesis, divided by 9, close the parenthesis. And so for this, I get R is equal to 80.1 degrees.